Have you ever been stuck in traffic, staring out the window, and noticed those tiny black dots along the edge of your windshield? You've probably seen them hundreds of times on almost every car you've ever ridden in. But have you ever wondered what they actually do? Are they just for decoration? Are they some kind of radio antenna? Or maybe they help with window defrosting? Well, the truth is much more important than that. Without those little black dots, your car's windshield could quite literally pop out while you're driving down the highway. Welcome to Simple Things Surprising Histories. Today, we're unraveling the fascinating science and history behind the mysterious black dots on your car windows. To understand the dots, we first have to go back to the mid-20th century. Before the 1960s and 70s, car windshields were held in place using large, bulky rubber gaskets. They basically wedged the glass tightly into the metal frame of the car. It worked, but it wasn't perfect. Rubber gaskets rattled, they eventually leaked in the rain, and they created terrible aerodynamic drag. As cars got faster and sleeker, automakers needed a better solution. They decided to ditch the rubber entirely and glued the glass directly to the metal using incredibly strong urethane adhesives. It was a brilliant, modern idea, but engineers quickly ran into one massive problem: the sun. You see, the glue holding your windshield in place is incredibly tough, but it is highly vulnerable to ultraviolet rays. If exposed to direct sunlight for too long, the adhesive breaks down, rots, and loses its grip. Automakers needed a way to permanently block the sun from hitting the glue. Enter the Frit. That solid black band you see around the outer edge of the glass isn't a sticker, it's a special ceramic paint that is baked right into the glass at extremely high temperatures. This Frit band is nearly indestructible. It blocks out the UV rays, protecting the adhesive underneath. It also provides a rough, baked-in surface for the glue to physically grab onto. And, as a visual bonus, it hides the ugly, messy glue from your view. But that explains the solid black line. Why do we need the dots fading inward? That brings us to the science of thermodynamics. Dark colors absorb heat much faster than clear objects. When modern car windows are manufactured, they're heated up in massive ovens so the glass can be bent into that perfect aerodynamic curve. Because the solid black Frit band heats up dramatically faster than the transparent glass, a sharp dividing line between the two would cause the glass to warp, creating optical distortion, often called lensing, or even shatter from thermal stress. The dots are a clever engineering trick called a halftone pattern. By gradually reducing the size of the dots, they create a thermal gradient. This allows the temperature to transition smoothly from the scorching hot black edge to the cooler clear center, keeping the glass perfectly shaped. There is actually one more place you'll find these dots, clustered right behind your rearview mirror. Automakers call this the third visor Frit. It's purposely designed to block the glaring sun in that tiny gap where your driver and passenger sun visors just can't reach, keeping the sunlight right out of your eyes while you drive. So, the next time you're sitting in the passenger seat staring out the window, you'll know the secret. Those little dots aren't just an accident of design. They are tiny marvels of thermal engineering, keeping you safe and your windshield securely in place. If you enjoyed learning the hidden story behind this simple thing, please hit the like button, share this video, and subscribe to the channel for more surprising histories. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.